At Mercedes-Benz of Fort Washington, West Chester, and Atlantic City, we are fully committed to do our part in preventing the spread of the COVID-19 coronavirus. In addition to the extensive overnight cleaning of our customer waiting areas, our staff is actively sanitizing the areas prior to our morning service rush and all throughout the day. Feel confident that we have made your health and our employees' health the top priority. We have removed the social snacks and coffee pots and added individually bagged snacks and bottled water. The lounges are large enough to spread out to give every customer the social distance that they need to feel safe and comfortable. We've also rearranged our seating configuration to accommodate everyone. As the situation changes, we will continue to make adjustments to provide the first-class service you expect from us, while making sure we keep everyone healthy and safe. We look forward to seeing you soon.